Hi, everyone. Oh my goodness, we've been so busy. I know I say that all the time, but isn't that just how life goes? We think that we are going to just have everything planned out just right. And I catch myself all the time between the fantasy of perfect planning and the reality of real life. Oh my goodness, we got back from our big trip. Oh my goodness, 2 months of traveling back and forth from Western Montana here to Minnesota and up and down and all around Minnesota. And I thought, as soon as we get back, I'm going to just start right in quilting. I'm going to get so much done. And yeah, we've had 2 weeks here of real life unpacking. And not just from the trip, but we had cleaned out our storage unit before that. So I've been unpacking and reorganizing bins and totes and all kinds of that from the storage. And I've been working so much on, oh my goodness, the quilt of the Cross of Many Squares quilt kits and things. And so I've been cutting up all kinds of fabric. I've been finding bins of fabric that I already had cut up. I'm trying to organize all of that. And it's been so nice being back home here and having time with family and the grandkids and oh my. And then of course, you try to diet and lose a few of those pounds you put on. And just getting back to cooking and cleaning and laundry and all of that too. But I've been helping Mr. Tall, Dark, Handsome, and Helpful with some projects around the house here too. Our little forever home is really coming together nicely. We're getting more and more things organized and put together and set up. And it's just really coming together nicely. I've been working on the website and trying to update a few things there. We've been having some holidays here at the quilt studio here in Montana. By the way, I still have an opening for next month, November. If you would like to come and sew or quilt here with me and learn about your pro stitcher or make a quilty jacket or work on a Cross of Many Squares quilt layout for you, alterations, whatever. There's all kinds of options of what we can do if you come here. But anyway, you can go to my Calendly and schedule a time to talk with me and get you signed up to come out here to Western Montana for some fun quilting. There's 3 different Airbnbs here within just a few miles of our house. And it'll be a lot of fun. So anyway, if you are interested in that, be sure to check that out. But we will be starting to mail out Cross of Many Square starter kits very soon. I'm looking forward to doing some layouts out on the design walls and getting some of the big kits all done so that you can just go and sew as soon as you get them and it'll all be figured out. You can order extra fabric for those. We've got cherry wood for borders and for binding. We've got batiks for binding as well. And got all kinds of options, good options on those quilt kits. And I'm hoping to video some how-to videos on how to make the staggered bricks quilt as well. So anyway, we've got lots coming up. It's good to be home. It's good to have plenty of work to do. It's nice to just get back settled in. And then of course I'm calling home and talking to my mama and my granddaughter and friends back home too, because it was so nice to get home and see everybody. Oh my goodness, we had a drop-in surprise visitor here a couple of days ago. My Lori surprised us and visited and stayed overnight. It was so wonderful to see her. I could hardly quit hugging her. I was so happy to see her. Anyway, hi, Paula Jo from Cedar Quilts. It's good to be back, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Call me up text me, email me, contact me through the website or through any of the social media things. And I'm looking forward to getting back to just regular work again here pretty soon. So good to see you all. See you soon. Toodaloo. God bless.